Vision's 2448 large engraver is proudly made in the USA. It comes with a heavy-duty 24-inch by 48-inch aluminum T-slot table, making it ideal for large or high-volume applications. Engrave metal, wood, plastic, and other materials. Other features include Vision's handheld pendant with advanced V-Touch technology and multifunctional touchscreen display, a built-in laser pointer for easy job setup, a top-loading spindle, and more. Make custom signs, ADA Braille signs, control panels, tags, plates, placards, parts marking, gift engraving, and many other applications. Vision has been manufacturing quality-made, precision machines in the USA since 1983. You can be confident when purchasing a Vision CNC router or engraver. Learn more about Vision's 2448 large engraver. Visit us online at www.visionengravers.com.